Welcome to the NV online classroom. Today we will learn PHP chapter 9 function. In this chapters we understand how to create the functions and how to use this function in a PHP. Today we learn PHP functions. The real power of PHP comes from its functions. In PHP there are more than 700 built-in functions. In this chapter we will show you how to create your own functions and to keep the browser for executing a script when the page loads, and you can put your script into your function and a function will be executed by a call to the function. You may call a function from anywhere within a page. A function is a block of code and that can be executed whenever we need it. Basically there are some rules for a function. All the functions start with a word function. The name the function, it should be possible to understand what the function does by its name. The name can start with a letter or underscore, not a number. Third is the add. It's a curly bracket. The function code start after the opening a curly bracket. Now finally insert the function code, and in last use the close curly bracket. The function is finished by the closing curly bracket. So here all the function code are written in between opening curly bracket and in between closing curly bracket. The function name always start with a underscore or letter, not use a number. Now finally we create one function. A function will be executed by a call to a function. Here we create one function. The function name is the right name, and in between curly bracket we execute some code. Here we, in this example, a simple function and that write my name when it call. Finally we call the function. For that we write the function name. Write name. By using this syntax, call the function and execute the code right in the function. Save the file, run the file in our browser and see the output. Jess Patel. The right name function is executed. Next, adding the parameter. In this concept, to add more functionality to a function, we can add a parameter, and a parameter is just like a variable. The parameter are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. Just see in our example. We define one function info with one parameter, and here we use a $name variable to parameter and execute some code. Just see in our file, we write one code. Here we use the br tag to break up the line. Finally we call the function info, and now set the parameter. NV. Just save the file and run the file in our browser and see the output. Here the $name variable value is NV, NV Education Company. You see the output. Finally, we learn return the value. To let's function return a value, use the return statement. Just to see in our file, we perform one example. Here we create one function sum with two parameters $x and $y. In this function, we execute one code. We define one variable $total and its value is equal to $x plus $y. And finally return the value of a $total. Here $x and $y additions are stored in $total variable. Finally, we return the value of a $total with return statement. Close the function. Finally, we use this function. For that we use following code: echo, then type function name sum and pass the two parameter 2 and 4. Here 2 is the value of a $x and 4 is the value of $y. Finally save the file and run the file in our browser and get output. Here the output is 2 plus 4, that means 6.